Hello and welcome. I'm Chris. If you don't know who that is, I'm still trying to work that out myself. Well, I'm in between guitar builds at the moment, so I thought I would have a go at a great guitar build off guitar using just bits and bobs I've got laying around. Let's start with this is a this is a Gibson SG style body. I bought it last year to actually use as a template, which I could then modify to make the guitar I made then. I think it's made from Akume, whatever that is. And I wish to do a carved top rather than bevels or anything like that. Now the thing that gets in the way of that is that it already has a cavity. So I'm going to carve straight into that. Well, I'm not. That's what would have happened. So I need to find a top to put on top of this. And for the top, I think I'm going to be using this stuff, which I think is called shisham, or some sort of Indian rosewood. It came from a dismantled TV cabinet, so I need to process that down first, sand it, plane it, and then we'll see where we are with that. Now, as for neck options, I was kind of inspired to do the whole build by seeing this neck on eBay. And it's been sitting around for ages and I have no plans for it. Unless I can... no idea what that was. So I could use this, which would take a lot of the stress off. Or... I have more shisham inspired wood. This is a scooped headstock neck, which I've made too thin. So I'm going to need to work out how to bulk that out. I've also cut the splines, if that's a great word, to do a tiltback headstock, which could also work. I have options. Pickups, I'm thinking in the bridge, we have this slimline single coil style humbucker. I bought it ages ago and I've still not found a use for it, so that'll be good. I've got this P90 which I harvested from the Pine Guitar Challenge guitar. I'm thinking I'll do that again one day. Anyway, so I'm thinking that in the neck, that in the bridge. Sounds like a saying. Anyway. And on the subject of bridges, harvested from the Pine Guitar again, I've got this wraparound bridge, which should do the job nicely. So that's going to be my entry. I'm either going to get working on it now, which is 4 in the morning, so probably not. Or I might just release this video and then get on with life. What else? So if you're entering the competition, good luck to you. And good luck to anyone in the Guitar Builders Collective. Check out the links in the description below for the Instagram and website for that, if you're interested. Goodbye.